What's going on, you guys? This is New York Adventurer 1994 here, and it is Tuesday, September 6th, 2022, and I once again have another tropical update to share with you guys because something just popped up and it's right in front of us. So, Bermuda now has a tropical storm watch regarding Tropical Storm Earl, which is expected to become a hurricane pretty soon, and they're showing that it's pretty close to becoming a hurricane. It's a high-end tropical storm now, and there is now a tropical storm watch from Bermuda regarding this thing. And they're showing by Friday that this thing could become a major hurricane. So if this track shifts to the west a little bit and Bermuda's in the target and it hits as a major hurricane, we could be looking at a crazy disaster right here. This is a very serious situation, guys. Because if this thing shifts a little to the west, Bermuda's in a lot of trouble. Even if it gets hit by a Cat 1 hurricane, it's still going to be disastrous. Yeah, it doesn't matter what category it is. You need to take all hurricanes seriously. And even just the remnants of it. So, this is the one thing that concerns me about Earl moving out to sea, is that Bermuda could be targeted. So if you guys live in Bermuda, you need to be on high alert for this thing and try to get prepared as much as possible for Thursday night into Friday when Earl comes. Yeah, and there might be a lot of effects being felt by it if it still goes out into the ocean. Yeah, no matter what, be prepared for it, even if it moves out to sea from you guys. But it's looking pretty concerning because the cone of the storm's right there, and that's the path the storm is taking, and Bermuda's right there. So, yeah, there's no getting out of feeling the effects, guys. And if this thing shifts further west and it becomes a major hurricane at the time, this could become a serious disaster. So yeah, if you live in Bermuda, be prepared. I know it's not much of a US threat like it was possibly before, but this is the one thing that concerned me about this thing moving out to sea, that Bermuda could be in the crosshairs of this hurricane. So let's take a look at everyone else. So it says that Danielle is producing rough seas right now over the north central Atlantic. It's a weekend hurricane and it's expected to weaken pretty soon. And we have a disturbance right here that has a 50% chance in 2 days and a 60% chance in 5 days. And this disturbance, right now it's nothing in 2 days, and it has a 20% chance in 5 days. And here's another thing we should all be concerned about. It's Hurricane Kay, which formed in the Pacific. Look at that. Baja California has tropical storm warnings and hurricane watches and tropical storm watches. So, if you guys live in this area, you also need to be on high alert from Hurricane Kay. And if this thing shifts to the east, even Southern California could be in trouble. I mean, you guys in San Diego could be in a lot of trouble by the end of the week here. So if you guys live all along here, you need to get prepared like right now, because even if it doesn't directly hit you, you'll still feel the effects of the rain and the winds and the rough seas and the flooding. So get prepared like right now. We really need to keep our eye on these systems because especially because it's almost the peak of the hurricane season, and September is going to become pretty active in both oceans, so get prepared now. So use your quiet time now if you're not getting affected to prepare for what you need for this hurricane season. So I guess that's it. Bye.